welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrei, and if you are new to my channel, I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hauls, clothing haul, reviews, etc, etc. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Now guys, don't get afraid by this makeup look right over here, because I was doing this for my Insta, and then I thought why not shoot this video, because makeup करने में मेहनत लगती है. So I thought of shooting this video, and it is super duper hot in Delhi. Can't tell you guys. Any which ways, you must have seen by the title that this one is going to be an Urbanic haul. And if you don't know what is Urbanic, so girl, where are you living? I mean, I think you are living under a rock. Don't get me wrong. Urbanic is again a shopping website from where you get this cool, these cool t-shirts, jeans, joggers, and also sometimes you also get such good jewelry there. So I thought of getting my hands on some items, but I don't want to disappoint you. There are only 2 items in this particular haul, because I wanted to try it out first and then wanted to place my order for later things. So yeah, if you're interested, keep on watching. So I ordered these 2 t-shirts from Urbanic, and to my surprise it came in these Ziploc packaging. If you can see, Urbanic is written right over here, and this is how it looks like. And also it was wrapped into this type of packaging. So packaging wise, it was really good. So if I talk about the shipping time, so yes, it did take, I think 20 to 25 days to ship over to my place. I live in Delhi, but it did take 25 days at least to ship all of these products. Like I got these products after 25 days, and these were on sale, so I just grabbed it. And if you don't know, I'm a huge sucker for t-shirts, especially these loose, if you can see, loose baggy t-shirts. So I got these 2 t-shirts, and there was some off going on, so I just ended up paying 660 something or 990 something, don't remember actually exactly, so I'm just going to leave it on screen. So I got these 2 t-shirts. The first one you can see I am wearing. I'm just going to insert a picture of me wearing it. As on the website I saw this model wearing this oversized t-shirt with really cool graphic, and I loved it. I mean, on this t-shirt also, I don't know if you're able to see or not, there is this cute graphic where is this tiger is there, and then there are roses, and this is such a pretty dusty pink color. And fit wise, I did a mistake here. I was choosing medium, but I don't know how I chose XL. I mean, I was out of my mind or what, तो मैंने XL choose कर लिया. तो XL choose कर लिया, तो this is like बहुत ज़्यादा ढीला. You can see, I mean, you can really see. This is like ये ऐसा लग रहा है पहन के कि ट्रिपल एक्सेल है. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ यू कैन स्टाइल दीज लूज टी शर्ट्स, क्योंकि अब मैंने खरीद ली है तो मुझे पहननी तो पड़ेंगी ना. But print wise, quality wise, I just love it. I mean, for example, this one which I'm wearing, this is a really nice dusty pink t-shirt, and the sleeves are like up to here, and they are really baggy, and it's like cotton material, very soft cotton material. At the same time, it's not transparent. I mean, I have seen some t-shirts which are really transparent, so ये जो है ये बिल्कुल transparent नहीं है. This is like amazing quality. It does not feel as if you are wearing something heavy. It feels so comfortable, so airy, so loose, so baggy. So I really loved this one, and I would highly recommend it, क्योंकि I think इसका जो price था, this was somewhere around 350 or 370. Good deal. कुछ ऐसा था कि 2 t-shirts for some amount, तो मैंने एक ये लिया. And the second one right over here is this cute tie and dye material. वो भी देखो लैवेंडर सा शेड है, I mean पर्पल सा शेड है यहाँ पे. एंड यू कैन सी, आई मीन ये ऐसे ग्राफिक टी शर्ट्स ना मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, स्पेशली बहुत कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. और आप देख रहे हो साइज इज लाइक कितना बड़ा. सो आई वुड रेकमेंड यू गाइज टू गो फॉर अ साइज डाउन और 2 साइज डाउन, जो आपका एक्चुअल साइज है उससे. अदरवाइज रिटेल फॉर 990 रुपीज, बट 990 में आपको 2 मिल रहा था. दैट मीन्स बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री. एंड मुझे ना ऐसे टी शर्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. आई मीन यू कैन वेयर देम, यू कैन ड्रेस देम डाउन. एंड ऐसे लूज टी शर्ट्स बहुत आजकल चले हुए हैं. सो मुझे मटेरियल वाइज आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. मुझे ये लगा कि थोड़ा टाइम लगा ये इन चीज़ों को मेरे तक पहुँचने में. आई मीन थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा, 1 महीना लग गया. सो आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाए, बट अदरवाइज क्वालिटी वाइज आई मीन आई वुड गिव दिस वेबसाइट पूरे मार्क्स. एंड नेक्स्ट आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू बाय समथिंग एल्स. लेट मी नो यू गाइज वांट टू get it. I mean, they have so many varieties. मेरी तो आंखें खुली रह गई when I saw so many varieties. I mean, jeans का variety से लेके accessories, top, everything. So in short, I really loved. I was really impressed by this brand Urbanic, and in future also I'm going to do a lot of hauls. And that's about this video. Hope you enjoyed. थोड़ा सा छोटा सा वीडियो था, and highly recommend करूँगी. Again फिर से बोल रही हूँ. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.